Hi, and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Thanks for stopping. Today we are going to be unboxing a new subscription. This is called the Lemon Drop Box. This box was sent to me from the owner of this subscription. This one is done a little differently than some of our other boxes that we see on my channel. This box, and I'm sorry, I'm going to be reading from my notes. I want to get this right. They were gracious enough to send me this, so I want to make sure I relay this information properly. Lemon Drop Box. Each Lemon Drop Box is a special surprise delivered right to their door. They curate seasonal, engaging, pampering, and delicious items, and you make your gift special with a personalized gift note. Boxes ship spring, summer, fall, winter, plus special gifts for holidays like Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. They do offer boxes for both men and women, and they ship in the US, and prices range from $30 to $100. I just went ahead and tried out the website. Very easy to use, very easy to put together a box. You choose anywhere from 2 to 5 gift items, and then they put that together for you. So she sent me one, she put one together for me. So let me open this box up, and then we'll see what comes inside. Here's 2 pamphlets that talk about and give the information that I just gave you. And then here's that specialized note that I mentioned. So here, on top of the box, it says, "Summer looks so good on you." Okay.
Sorry, I can't help you with notes on Apple Watch.
My Apple Watch was just talking to us. Oh, heavens. Okay. And it says, "Thank you for reviewing a Lemon Drop Box. We are a gift subscription for busy people that want a simple way to stay connected with loved ones. We handpick surprises and you make your gift special with a personalized gift note. We've included a couple examples of gift notes in your summer Lemon Drop Box. We've got over 100 templates to choose from, and our customers can include a photo or message or both. We hope you enjoy all the gifts in the summer box, and thank you again for the review. Many thanks, Lemon Drop Gifts." So here is that specialized, and I did it. I just had to drop in a photo. Here's that specialized gift note. So here it says, "To Lynn, from your partner in crime." I think you all recognize that. That's my picture right on my profile here. So it's nice that when you send this, they also get a picture of you that they can put on their shelf or save in their books. So let's get into that box and see what it's like. I'm really curious. Okay, give me a minute and I'll get the box out. So here is the box. LemonDropGifts.com. Okay. Handpicked smiles. Let's see. Oh, well, that's fun. Look at this tissue. That's fun. And this is the summer box. All right. Aw, she took some of my other pictures that's on my profiles and she made another card. That's my little dog, Bo. Isn't that just sweet of her? "You're the pineapple of my eye. Thanks for all the swell treats, cozy blanket, and for being the best dog mom. Love you best, Bo." That's so sweet of her. I really want to thank her for this. That's just darling. Oh. And then here it says, "Someone sent you a little box of sunshine. Summer Lemon Drop Box. Small batch, handmade." Ooh, this tells what's in the box. "Triple berry pie crust cookies." Yum. "From Janie's Life-Changing Bakery. Bring together that summer's best bounty in a decadent treat. Make each day your masterpiece. This bright, fun journal is a canvas for your imagination and inspires you to build a life of your own creations. Inside the journal are quotations and artwork enhancing lots of lined pages for capturing the day's thoughts and musings. Okay, so that means there is a journal in here. And Spongella's eco-friendly body wash infused buffer is an all-in-one treatment to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and tone. Enjoy knowing it is sulfate, paraben, and cruelty-free. Yay! An adorable reusable shopping tote is a reminder to always be happy. That's really lovely. Okay. What's we gonna find? Okay, here are Janie's life-changing cookies. Pie crust cookies. We might just have to try one of these. The box is really heavy. Goodness, it's 8 ounces. Let's see. If they're easy to get into, we'll give them a try. Let's see. Oh, there's another bag inside of here. Okay, I got into them. They were sealed really well. Let's see. We'll just take out part of a cookie. Look at these though. Don't they? They're mouth-watering. Yummy. Let's just take a small part of this and see what it's like. Mmm. Oh. Wow. Wow, wow. Do I share these with the husband? No. Really? All right. I will. These are marvelous. Anybody that would get this as a gift would love them. They're very, very good. All right. And let's see what we got. Spongeology, the 100% body wash infused body buffer. Okay. Here it is. That has your soap and everything right in it. And it's got a rough texture. So then it actually exfoliates as you use it. Who wouldn't love getting that? That's a little treat in the shower. Okay. How nice. And let's see, where's the next one? Got all the squiggles. Let's see. This seems to be, oh, make each day your masterpiece. This is the journal that I was reading about. And it does have artwork and different quotes inside of it. And then there's all the line pages to just write down your thoughts. I'm gonna use this every night at bed to make notes of what I like to get done the next day. And then I can look back in a week and look at what I thought I was capable of doing every day and kind of look at what I did accomplish, make myself feel good about what I did do. I appreciate this. Okay, and lastly, so how many we have? 1, 2, 3. This is 4th item. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, super cute. Look at that. A little bee. Be happy. And then it's got the buffalo check on the sides. It's a nice shopping tote. Very nice size too. And it's like a plastic material so you can wipe it down, keep it clean. So typically you choose anywhere from 2 to 5 items in these boxes. And I love this. I didn't see this on the website at all. This is super cute. So what'd y'all think? I love this option. This really makes gift giving a different way of doing things. I love this. Well, I want to thank the owner of this box for giving me this box to review. And I would love to hear some comments of what everybody thinks. And while you make comments, I'm going to continue eating cookies. You have a wonderful day. Thank you so much and take care.